Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to message on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only message people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X application on my phone, and you have to tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. And you have to tap new message button or button with a plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen. So now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list of options, from the list that appears, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So type your message in the text box, and when you are ready to send it, just hit send button, this paper plane icon right here. And now you see that the status of my message is sent. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.